Remember my video where I dropped a huge fluffy slime on my car? And what about my videos in which I drop different stuff from the 40-meter tower? I think I want to do a remix, so for this I'll make another huge fluffy slime, but red. On the video it looks fast and fun, but in reality we're so tired of making this huge fluffy slime. But believe, it's worth it. And here we are in the forest and already took this huge slime up to the top of the 40-meter tower. That was hard. But only up there we realized that there is a certain problem, namely a strong wind that simply blew everything on its way, including our fluffy slime, so we missed. On this we decided to drop it from the middle of the tower, like 20 meters. Do you think we can aim this time? What are your bets? Okay, I'm ready. So guys, just wish me good luck. Let's do that.
Bring that ass back like a boom 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 boom. Bring that ass back like a boom 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 boom.
This is a jump. But honestly, I expected that slime will stick to the trampoline. Guys, as usually, I will show in my next videos the most crazy and unusual ideas for my next experiments, so be sure to share your thoughts. I love this piece of slime. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.